The Tyre Sensors Not Detected warning in your Ford B-Max from 2012 to 2018 models indicates a problem with the tire pressure monitoring system. This system relies on sensors inside your tires that transmit pressure data to the car's computer, known as the ECU. The most common causes for this error are dead sensor batteries, which typically last 5 to 10 years, faulty sensors, or a need to relearn or resync the sensors with the ECU. Ignoring this warning can lead to accidents from undetected pressure drops. First, check that your tires are inflated to the correct PSI before diagnosing the system. You can find the correct tire pressures on the tire inflation placard, usually located on the driver's side door jamb or in the owner's manual. Inflate tires to spec, for example, 2.2 bar front and 2.0 bar rear. There are two main approaches to fixing this issue: TPMS Relearn and sensor battery replacement. TPMS Relearn involves using a diagnostic tool like Autel Maxi TPMS or 4Scan to resync the sensors with the ECU. Connect the tool, activate each sensor following the tool's instructions, and then drive the car at 25 to 40 kilometers per hour for 10 to 15 minutes to complete the process. If relearning doesn't work, the sensor batteries are likely dead. You'll need to remove the tire, detach the sensor, and test the battery voltage. Ideally, it should be above 2.1 volts. If lower, replace the sensor. After replacing, you'll likely need to perform the TPMS Relearn procedure again. Remember to check the batteries before buying new sensors. A 2024 Ford forum thread showed that one user reporting the warning after tire rotation was able to fix their issue by replacing the batteries for $20 total.